To use the front camera in S24 Ultra, in the camera app, it will probably open the rear camera by default. And if you tap this circle, that will flip it to the front camera. You can also use your S Pen. If you just double click the S Pen button, it will flip between the front camera and the rear camera. That's useful for hands-free usage. So you have these zoom modes. So we have wide and then close up. You can't manually slide across to change the zoom. If you tap the shutter button, it will take a picture. And you can also just click the button on your S Pen to take the picture as well, hands-free. You have modes here like flash, timer, aspect ratio. If this is not 3:4 or 4:3, it's just going to crop in the image, so you won't have as much image. We then have motion photo, which will take a photo and then record a little video afterwards. And so you can just tap view motion photo to see that video. And then you also have filters, so you can turn on face filters, maybe make your jawline better, eyes and tone. You can just mess around with these. And then you also have other filters, which changes the color. And then also you can have warm color tone or natural. So when we take a picture, you may notice something. So I'll just take the picture here. For me, what I saw in the preview is what was taken. So you can see my face there. But by default, it's going to flip your image. So by default, it's going to do this. And so it's going to flip it. And maybe the image may look weird. So if you want the selfies you take to look as you capture them, just open settings. And if save selfies as previewed is off, which it will be off by default, tap to turn it on. And then what you see in the preview is what the front camera will actually take. You did see I flipped the image. So if you did take a selfie and Samsung automatically flipped it, to revert the flip, tap the pencil and then tap this icon here. And that's just going to flip the image back to its original. So I hope this one helps.